Hi everyone! So for today's video, I am going to be showing you these beautiful fall colors that were sent to me from Madam Glam, so let's get started. First off, I want to give a huge thanks to Madam Glam for sponsoring this video, and they're one of my first sponsored videos ever, and I was super excited to use these beautiful fall colors. So let's see what I picked. They sent me their top coat and their base coat as well, and the colors I picked for fall were pumpkin pie, a beautiful orange, this beautiful brownie red wine color called Spooky, and this really nice dark emerald green called Lonely Boy. So let's use Lonely Boy and start swatching. Now I will say it was super difficult picking the colors because they have so many beautiful, bright and vivid colors, anywhere from like the neons to beautiful glitters and obviously beautiful fall nails. All of the names are super cute, and I'm definitely going to be placing an order soon because I really wanted to snag up each and every one of those gels. They're so pretty. Oh, I loved them. Now I'm going to throw Lonely Boy in the lamp for 120 seconds, and then I'm going to take the Spooky by Madam Glam, and I am in love with this color. It is so classy, very rich, and I just really think it's very nice. Like, super fall color. This on some tips would be mwah, chef's kiss. Also, I will say, I don't know if I've been using just really tiny gel polish bottles lately or what, but these Madam Glam handles feel really awesome. The tops of the gel polishes are nice. They have like a little crevice to where you can hold the brush very like comfortably, and I have big hands, so I like anything that's bigger because it's just more comfortable for me to hold and I don't feel like crampy with my fingers. Now, I totally think you could get away with using Lonely Boy one coat as a jelly full set color because I think that's a really nice jelly look. But since we do want it a little bit more opaque, I'm going to go ahead and do at least 1 or 2 more coats just so we can get like the full effect of Lonely Boy. I will also be putting down below the link to Madam Glam and their amazing gel polishes because I know I'm going to be shopping this weekend. What are you doing? But before you go on there, don't forget that I have a code now and that will save you 30% off. So definitely use my code and definitely check out Madam Glam. If you want to buy these colors, I definitely recommend because they're going to be so perfect for fall. They're so nice and they're just classy and they're not too bright, but they're bright enough. Don't you just love a good orange? This pumpkin pie orange is so beautiful. I love it. I feel like I only would have to do 2 coats, but I think I'm just going to do the 3 because I'm going to do 3 coats of every other color. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Honestly, none of these colors look bad with only 1 coat, so it's totally up to you if you want to do 2 or 3, but they don't really have any streakiness, no definite lines that you see in other gel polishes, no splotches. They dry very nice and even, so up to you. I'm going to do the 3 coats like I've been saying, but these colors are very like opaque and they're really nice. I think one of my go-to colors this fall is definitely going to be this Spooky and pumpkin pie. Okay, Lonely Boy too because look at how nice. So we are adding our 3rd coat of Lonely Boy and let's just see how opaque that gets. Look at how opaque that is getting. Oh, that looks so good. I don't know about you, but I really appreciate all the underused colors like the greens for nails, the yellows for nails, the oranges, you know. I just think they are very eye-catching. They're not too crazy. Oh, look at that pumpkin pie. Yeah. They're so underestimated, you know what I mean? So have fun with nail art. Don't just use your normal reds and your normal pinks and nudes, you know, have some fun. Now, I don't know about you, but when I go to the store and when I get complimented on my nails, I am just like, Thank you, thank you. So I know when I wear these press-on nails with these Madam Glam colors on there, I'm gonna get so many compliments because who doesn't love fall colors and who doesn't like a little bit of mix match, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and continue with doing the rest of the nails and I will show you the finished product. Let me know down below which of these colors are your favorite, whether it be the nice Lonely Boy green, the beautiful mauve-y wine brown of Spooky, or the nice pumpkin pie orange. Also, with all the boho chic weddings and the terracotta weddings going on right now, I could definitely see these three colors being used for your bridesmaids or even a bride who is really fun and wants the non-traditional white nails, because these will definitely make those colors pop for your wedding party or even a sweet 16 if you're having like a court or a quinceañera. But oh yeah, they're just really nice colors and I feel like they're just so neutral. They can go with any season, any kind of party, prom, anything. For our last press-on nail, our thumb, we are going to be using Spooky again because I love it. I don't know if you saw that, but did you see how easily that one swipe covered that number underneath the press-on nail? If you have to rewind, go ahead, because that just shows you just that one coat being that opaque to where it covers the number on the nail. I'm sorry, but it takes me a while with some other gel colors, so definitely love the opacity of these. Alright, now I'm going in with the Soak Off Top Coat from Madam Glam, and we are just going to make all of these nice and shiny. I will also say that I am so happy with this top coat because I have bought a couple other brands and I've bought 2 new top coats within this last like 6 months and the brushes have been wonky, they've been frayed, and I'm just so happy that I was sent a top coat from Madam Glam that is nice and intact. The brush works, it's not crazy, it's nice and smooth, so definitely made my day. Now after you take the colors out of the lamps before top coat, they are very opaque, they're very shiny, they have that nice glisten to them, but I always recommend putting on a top coat just to help seal in the color and add that extra layer of shininess. And again, don't forget to check the description box for the links and the names of these beautiful gel polishes. I will put everything down below and I will also put down that 30% off discount code and we can all save some coins. Let's go ahead and top coat our last nail, the pinky nail, and then we are all set to show off our full set of press-ons. Woo, I'm excited! And voila, here's the final look. I love these colors so much. Again, I want to thank Madam Glam so much. I appreciate you and thank you for sponsoring this video and allowing me to choose the colors I wanted. I'm so happy. I will leave that discount code down below for you as well as the link to Madam Glam's website. I love you guys so much and I hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next video. Bye!